Good morning everyone. In this video we will discuss about the seal strength test in the Presto peel adhesion or bond seal strength tester, and we will be complying to a standard, and accordingly we will make the specimen, the test speed, the procedures, everything we will follow as per the ASTM standard. So the standard we are following in this will be ASTM F88. So first of all, what is the purpose of the seal strength test? What I will be doing is for the seal strength test of the flexible packaging films. So where are these used? So if I talk about the pouches, for example, the fast moving consumer goods, we have many pouches we used to have in the consumer goods, so they are sealed. So in order to check that their seal strength is proper or not, how good the quality of their sealing parameter is, so it is very important to check through a testing method by pulling it apart from the two sides and looking that how much force does it takes to break. So why it is important? If the seal is not proper, then the contaminants or the outer atmosphere will start interacting with the pouches having the atmosphere inside. So because of that, what can happen? It can spoil your sample and it can create rancidity in your sample. So it is very important to have this kind of testing. And if I'm referring to a standard, that is ASTM F88, it means this is a research standard which proves that if you will perform this kind of testing, it means you will definitely get the accurate result for the seal integrity of your sample. So right now we will be performing a mechanical strength test. So first, let us understand the sample preparation, that how testing has to be done so that accurately you can analyze the result for your seal strength of pouches. I will be taking this packaging sample. So we can see that it is sealed. So in this many samples can be there. So either a liquid filled or a dry filled sample. So that should not be spoiled. So for that, this sealing is very important to check. So how do we check it? We will prepare a specimen and then we will perform a pulling test of it. So how do we prepare a specimen? So I will just move it like this. The specimen also I will be making as per the ASTM F88 standard only. So it says for a width of 25 mm, so that I will keep. And after sealing, we have to maintain 76 mm of length. So this. Now I will cut it. So what I have done right now, so you can see the correct sample. So after sealing, we have to make a 76 mm length of the sealing, and the width of this has to be 25 mm. Now I will grip one end of the sample above and one end below, and I will just pull it apart and see that how much load and strength it takes to deseal. So now we will understand the sample placement. So in the standard, one of the diagram you will see for a T-strip method, where we will by 180-degree method we will deseal the sample. So one end of the grippers, I will fix it here. And one end I will be gripping below. Now we are performing the test through the computerized model. We will set some profile and then we will start the test. So now we will make the profile. So we have opened the WinTest software for the Presto seal strength test machine. So this is the heading, and here I have to enter the product name. So I will write flexible film, then the operator, batch number, anything you want to write, description, detailed description of sample you can give. So the shape, the strip shape I have cut, and standard I'm using is ASTM F88. Any remarks if I want to add? Otherwise I will set dash. And now I will start the testing. So the testing has to be at 300 mm per minute. The standard says 200 to 300 mm per minute. I am testing the sample at 300 mm per minute. We'll start the test. Now you can see the graph which is coming, and it is desealing the sample. After completion of test, you can see machine will stop and we can see the result. So first we have is the peak load. So it is showing 0.58 kilogram force, and it is also showing the average load. Average load means that when the sample is going from this end to this end, how much load it has taken. It gives even more better analysis of your seal strength test rather than just one particular point of peak load. So both the things we have. If you want to calculate this in terms of strength, you need to divide this load with the width of the specimen. Okay, so in kg per mm or in kilograms per centimeter, this comes in strength. Otherwise right now you can see it is coming in 0.5 kilogram force. So this is the seal strength of the sample. This is how we interpret the result of it. Now it is good or bad is as per the application of the specimen or where it will be used in the actual conditions. So this is how you maintain your standard. Just do the test for 5 different samples and make the average of it and do the test accordingly. So this is how you perform the seal strength test through the computerized model. For more such testing videos, you can contact Presto. Thank you so much.